takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So this was a win. In Western New York, Christmas Day afternoon, we got a snowstorm that was predicted in my area to drop 4 inches. One weather forecaster said we'd get 12 inches of snow. I got 16 inches of snow over a 30-hour period, 35-hour period. That was 16 inches. It compacted down to 12 inches in my driveway and parts of my lawn. And if you want to see this tractor work to clear some snow, you'll see it in this video. This was compacted down into a heavy snow. I was shoveling, was up at 5 o'clock in the morning shoveling. That's another video. So I've got 3 hours into my day, the day after Christmas, and I'm out gonna blow some snow, and you'll see this tractor work. I'll give you some different footage views from a chest-mounted camera in the cab. You can see how I operate the drone. And I hope all of you had a Merry Christmas. And thank you for coming back to the channel. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Thank you, Marauders. Those of you who have asked me about wheel spacers on this tractor, this is a great view of the stance of the tires, and I think it looks great. And you'll see that it performs well. It performs well in the deep snow, no issues. This is a great view of me setting up the Active Track program spotlight mode on the drone. My rear tires are 2.5 inches wider on each side than the 59-inch snowblower. Please comment, let me know your opinion if you think that's a problem, snow blowing. I don't think it's an issue at all, but I'd like to hear your opinion. It was about 19 degrees this morning and I was very comfortable in the cab. Please let me know if you'd like to see different views from inside the cab, or in this case me operating the drone while I'm snow blowing, or you just prefer to see the exterior shot from the drone of the tractor working and clearing the driveway. I try to make it interesting for you. I want to upload good content for you to watch. Please comment and let me know. So you're going to see this tractor almost stalled because I didn't engage load match, and load match helps prevent the tractor from stalling and will slow down its forward momentum or progress for the auger to catch up. It also works well when you're doing loader work. Watch and listen. Marauders, thank you for returning to the channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and sharing it with someone. If you ride motorsports off-road, please wear a helmet for your protection and set an example for others. Please let's respect each other and our opinions and get along with each other. That's so important. So important. Let's get along. We have to live together and work together. I hope to see you on the trail or snow plowing a driveway. You'll see why upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless.